In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Solflare to Raydium Dex. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Raydium, then go to the top right and select on this option over here that does say Connect Wallet. Now, you should see the option over here that does say Solflare. In order for this to work, you need to go ahead and get the Solflare web extension, which you can find for free online by just going to any tab and then just looking up Solflare Wallet just like so, and then go ahead and press on this first link over here, and then it is going to take you to this page where you guys can go ahead and download it from the Google Chrome extension, which we already have. Alternatively, you guys could do this on your mobile device as well. Solflare does come as an application. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go to Raydium, and then you want to go ahead and select on Solflare just like so. Then you want to make sure that you already do have the extension. So you have, as you're able to tell, we already do have the Solflare web extension, and because of that, we actually are able to get access to this screen over here. Anyways, guys, what you want to do for yours, you want to press on this button that does say connect. And just like so, Solflare has been successfully connected to Raydium. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.